NASA scientists rejoice at the continued progress of their next-generation space telescope.
Plus, the International Space Station gets presidential backing and a prank from space resurfaces on social media. More in the Week in Space from VOA's Arash Arabasadi.
NASA celebrated another milestone this week as the James Webb Space Telescope unfolded its 6.5-meter mirror in the final step of the observatory's unpacking.
The size of a mirror allows us to collect more light from fainter objects, and in a lot of cases that means farther away objects that light took many billions of years to travel to us. A chance to see the universe as it was perhaps only a couple 100 million years after the start, after the Big Bang.
Astronomer Michelle Thaler is referring to the birth of the universe. As with many of Webb's milestones, all testing happened on Earth, so accomplishing objectives in space is a big deal.
I'm emotional about it. What an amazing milestone. We see that beautiful pattern up there in the sky now, almost complete. Of course, it needs to latch, but what an amazing milestone just ahead of it. I'm just so amazed and in awe about this team.
The recently opened mirror has 18 gold-coated segments that will need tweaking to focus as one unit in search of stars, galaxies, and even life outside our solar system. Webb should reach its space target in about 2 weeks, and if all stays on schedule, it will begin observations this summer. In other news, NASA recently posted this video to its YouTube channel announcing the Biden-Harris administration's commitment to extend International Space Station operations through 2030. The ISS had been set for decommission in this decade, and NASA says extension enables a seamless transition to one or more commercially owned and operated destinations in low Earth orbit through the late 2020s. Meanwhile, the U.S. Mint, the Treasury Department bureau that makes coins, began shipping this week the first in the American Women Quarters program. 20 designs will be issued in the next 4 years honoring women who helped shape the nation's history. The Mint will release the Sally Ride Quarter later this year, honoring the first American woman in space. Finally, a social media video from 2016 resurfaced this week, remembering the time now U.S. Senator and then astronaut Mark Kelly sent a gorilla suit birthday gift to space for his twin brother and fellow astronaut Scott Kelly. Kelly chased his terrified crewmates around the ISS, and you can thank filmmaker Todd Spence for resurrecting the video on Twitter. Arash Arabasadi, VOA News.